Hola, hola. I hope everyone is doing well and had a great weekend. I just wanted to show you where I am going to be putting things on Schoology in the future for our daily assignments. So your Schoology homepage should look like this. When you look at it, the top one should be remote learning assignments. There's a pink folder. If you click that, there's a folder that says Monday, March 23rd. From now on, I'm going to put a folder for each day of the week that we have assignments. So every day this week, there will be a folder with the assignments for the day. If you click that for tomorrow, our assignments are watching a documentary called Living on $1, and then answering some questions that correspond with the documentary. This is in English. It is a documentary we're going to watch in class anyway. The purpose of it obviously is not to practice Spanish because it's in English, but it does take place in Guatemala. So the whole point of watching this is to further understand some of the cultural aspects we talked about earlier. So this documentary is almost an hour, so it's going to be split into 2 days. So we'll have it as the assignment for both Monday, tomorrow, and Tuesday, the 24th. So if you want to watch half one day and half the other, these questions are also in your chapter packets at the very end of the packet that you had from last week. But if you forgot your packet at school, if you don't have your packet at home, if you don't know where your packet is, I did also put just the questions on here if you need to print them out or if you want to just write the answers on a separate sheet of paper as you're watching the documentary. So this is just the link. You do need to be logged in through your school email if you're on your school device in order for that Netflix or in order for that YouTube link to work. So just make sure you're logged in with your Geneva account if you are on your school computer while you're watching it. All right, feel free to email me if you have any questions at all, and I will see you later. Gracias.